I'm your guest, Vinny DiCostanzo, owner of Vinny's Italian Kitchen, North Phoenix Road in Barnett. Also the host and co-producer director of the new television series airing on Southern Oregon PBS coming this fall, October 16th, all across Oregon. And so we'll look forward to seeing you there as well. But here what we're doing today is we're making my version of the vodka sauce. Now what we did is we started with we crushed up some Italian mild sausage. We added some spices so far. We added a little bit of plum tomatoes. So I'm kind of simplifying it right now. You could actually make this base and have it ready. So that's kind of what we did. We had a base ready that we made in-house. So here's kind of what the first stage looks like here. Okay, some sausage and some plum tomatoes. Mild spices so far. But now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of pepper, just a hint of nutmeg, Italian seasoning. We are going to put some sweet cherry and hot cherry peppers, chili flakes in this as well at this point. We're going to add that in. Again, we're making gnocchi alla vodka. So here we are. We add the spice. Now we're going to take a little bit of the Tito's vodka. Okay, a little more vodka. We have some more tomatoes, tomato sauce that we made here. So this is, I shouldn't say tomato, this is marinara sauce. We're going to add a little bit of the marinara now. Okay, so there's our marinara. We already added the spices in this gnocchi vodka. We already added the sausage. We added the base tomato. Okay, we've already brought it all down. We've cooked that sausage through. We've added our vodka. So the vodka is going to add its own dimension to it. And then in just about 1 second here, we're going to let this reduce just a little bit more. So here we are. We're getting to the texture that we're looking for. Nice thick texture. We don't have anything running off. Okay, no water, just a nice thick paste of a sauce. And now we're going to take our potato dumplings, our gnocchi pasta, that's what that is, the potato pasta, potato dumplings. All right, we're going to add our gnocchi. Let those gnocchis absorb all that flavor, so it's just not a potato dumpling, it's actually infused with all these amazing flavors. Again, we're making sure there's any water that went into there. If you're doing this at home and you kind of take that pasta out, if you put it right in there, you don't want that water to be, it's going to ruin your dish. So let the water cook out from the pasta if it's holding on to any. Again, you want a nice, thick, heavy texture. If you want it lighter, you can make it lighter. But for me, I like things to be really thick. I'm going to turn this way for you so you kind of see how it comes out. Nice, thick. We didn't overcook the gnocchi. Just a couple minutes. That's it. Just a couple minutes in the water. You want to keep their shape. One thing about a gnocchi, if you've ever worked with it, you can overcook it so quick. Before you know it, you have just a big pile of mushy pasta. It's gross. You don't want to do that. Just a couple minutes in the water. Bring it up to temp. Okay? I'll take a little pretty flour. This flour is just for you, the viewer. Put the flour right there. We're going to take that 3 cheese mix that I always like to use. Big fan of the cheese mixes. And you can see as of right now, it's still holding together. Okay? We don't have really any runoff. Nice thick pasta. So now that I said that, it's going to start running a little bit. But anyway, gnocchi alla vodka.